What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another E63s video. And today we're doing another cosmetic. Actually, no, last time it wasn't a cosmetic mod. It was a performance mod. This time it's cosmetic. So we're doing this. So my car has one option it's missing that I wish it had and I would have paid for it, is the Burmester 3D or 4D sound system, which if you guys know anything about the sound systems, the Burmester sound systems and the S classes are probably the best sound systems out there. And the E class actually got a, I guess you could say, a same version, a lower down version, whatnot, with some cool upgrades that my car doesn't have because my car wasn't spec'd with it. It has the Burmester speakers. It says Burmester, but these aren't like the 3D or 4D ones that everybody wants. So first thing I'm doing is I'm replacing the tweeters. Now there's a couple of components to the sound system. Of course, you get bigger speakers in that one. You get the tweeters, and then actually right down here in the middle between the, what is it called? Between the panoramic sunroof and the bar in the middle, there's another speaker. I'm not adding that speaker because I'm not buying a new headliner to add a speaker in the middle. It'd be cool, but I'm just not doing that. But I do want to do the tweeters because they're relatively really easy and they're kind of cheap to buy. Now I will preface this because, box fell. These aren't from Germany. It looks like it's a Mercedes box, right? Looks original, looks like it bought from the dealer. But I don't think it's from Germany. It's not. These came from AliExpress, and these were $150. So you may be asking yourself, you bought a $50,000 car and you're spending $150 on Chinese parts. Yeah, because that's why I'm spending $150 on Chinese parts, because I don't have any more money for parts. I spent it all on the car. But all jokes aside, these will work just fine. I don't even know if you could buy new ones from Mercedes. You probably could. They're probably like $3 or $4 grand because that's just Mercedes. These were online. They have good reviews. People here in the US have reviewed them and they said it's a decent sound system. And I already put one on the other side, and yeah, you can hear it. I mean, we turn the thing on, it turns out. I'll show you guys after we finish this, but it all works fine. And there's a couple of components to this. I haven't seen a video on YouTube yet about this perfect thing. They're a little convoluted, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we gotta do. So first things first, of course, we gotta take off this door panel. To do that, I am gonna lower the window though, because I like the windows to be down. So let's get started. All right, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take this long, and I mean long, piece of, wrench and, no, I'm just kidding. You're gonna need a T30. That's how the bolts are. There's two bolts on the door panel. One's right here, and the other one is right here. It's a little bit in a stupid spot down here. There's two of them, and then the door just unclips, which I'll show you guys. So let me do this first. So first bolt is, let me actually get out the car so I can see it a little bit better. By the way, you don't need 15 extensions for this. I'm just being dramatic. Here's the first bolt. Now the second one. That's nice. Come from this side. This one over here is more of a guessing game. As you can see, I was just literally just, guessing of where's it's at. There it is, fell out. If it stays in there and you can't get it out, that's okay. Mine just fell through right here. There it is. If it stays in there, it's fine. It'll fall out once you pull this out. Now, next thing, you're gonna wanna get a door trim removal, and basically this whole thing is held in with clips. So let me take it off and I'll be right back. Now, the door panel is loose now, as you can see. The next thing you're going to do is you got to take this tweeter off. So you're going to pull on the tweeter. You're going to pull out and up, sort of. There it is. Don't be scared to pry on it. It seems like it's going to break. It's not. It's just clips. There it is. There's two. Come closer. There's two of them inside here, so you'll see these two right here. And then, of course, it has its clips on the bottom. So that's why you got to pry out and up, because the bottom ones have to come out. Now, to get this off, it's just a tiny little clip right there, which this is going to take me about 15 years to do, because that's how it usually is with these smaller ones. On the other side, this thing took me the longest to take off. Meanwhile, everything else is easy. So I'll be right back once I get this off. All right, now to do this, tweeter's off. just you literally just pry on the door and pick it up, and you'll see. That's it. You can unhook it from here. I don't need to because it's literally everything's right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this over just a little bit, and I am actually gonna bring in the chair, and I'm gonna let the door panel rest on the chair. I'm not gonna do that because it's not gonna work. Donnie, come here. I'm gonna have the cameraman sit down on this chair and hold the door panel. Meanwhile, I'm gonna film. Alright, you guys, so here is the door panel. So there's the inside of it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna unplug this number right here, number 6. The reason why is the new tweeter. I'll show you guys this in a second. The new tweeter actually comes with a whole harness that you're gonna have to plug in. So I'll show you guys how this is all plugged in. It's really easy. It's literally just 2 plugs. It's the black one, and then this one, the white one down there, plugs into that little box over there. But yeah, let me show you guys how this is all routed. Alrighty, so first things first, I'm doing this with one hand because he's holding the door panel. So we gotta take this thing off. Yeah, this is gonna be fun with one hand. One hand. Come on. Do we get it? Alrighty, so I plugged the box in. What you're gonna wanna do is, this is the number 6 connector right here. You're gonna plug it into this thing right here. So, boom. This part of the harness, the blue one, actually plugs in where that plug was before. So we'll plug it in into it there. There we go. And then this, which is the tweeter original, plugs into this, and we're good to go. It's actually really simple. Now, in terms of this box here, what I did on the other side was I literally zip tied it to one of the other harnesses just to hold it on. I'm gonna do the same thing, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we've zip tied the box. That's been done well. Trust me, I'm not lying. I promise I would never lie to you guys. Now, what you're gonna wanna do next is you're gonna wanna plug this in. And this speaker is really awkward to put in place because 1, it's Chinese, and 2, it's just Chinese. So plug this in. That's plugged in now. It goes like that. Now, I'm gonna take this blue covering off. It comes in a little bit, like I said, at an angle. All right. There it is. So you gotta put it at an angle and it comes down and everything. So like I said, it's pretty awkward. Alrighty, now my ingenious engineering skills have done it. Everything's in place. You just kind of tap a little bit. Everything goes in place. Let's rip this. Now I said it's important to undo it on the bottom because the other side I didn't undo it, and there's a little bit of this residue on the other side, but don't worry about that. Let's rip this thing off. I mean, look at that. It looks so high-end, even though it's Chinese and doesn't fit perfectly. Don't worry about it. So let's turn the power on. Come here and look into it. Cameraman, you guys ready? Yes, sir. And it is blue, so it is the same color as the rest of the car. Let's see if I change the color, if it's gonna do anything. Let's see. Actually, I shut it off because it's going to try to connect to my phone. But you guys get the idea. You can see the blue ring. It's still connected and everything. This is awesome. I mean, for 150 bucks, you've added thousands in ambiance to the car. Now the car has aura. Because when you're driving late at night and you have your blue mood lighting on and you're driving, playing wicked games by the weekend and you're feeling toxic and you're vibing, now you got tweeters that are also toxic and vibing because they're the same color. I mean, listen, have I sacrificed a portion of the sound? I don't think so, because I highly doubt this is high quality German. I am really inclined to think this is made in China. It doesn't say it anywhere. Okay, I lied. It says made in Germany, but I don't think it's made in Germany. Listen, these cars were built in Germany and sent over here, so it very much might be. I mean, it does feel pretty good. It's plastic, but it's German, so you know it's gonna work. I'm not throwing these away. Obviously, I'm gonna keep them in the boxes that these came in, and I'm just gonna put them inside. If these things ever go out, which I wouldn't be surprised if they went out because they're Chinese, I'll either buy the same ones again and just put them on, or I'll put the original ones on. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. This is just a quick video, nothing too crazy. I just want to show you guys how to install this because I was looking through the internet. I just wanted to make sure before I was pulling wires and everything, I was doing the right ones. And in fact, I did. So yeah, basically I found a forum online and used that. But again, remember the wire that you're unplugging from the car is number 6 on the little blue wires in the box that's inside the door panel. Number 6, you're unplugging that. And then at that point, what you're doing is you're plugging in the harness, that's with this, and then plugging this into basically into the box on the inside, and then you're good to go. And it looks great. It's very, very, very nice. So thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Let me know down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.